Hi guys! So, for today's vlog, ating titirahin.
Smile! Ismail! Ismail! Oh, tatlong may birthday pala to.
Para may picture kayo.
Oh, ayan oh.
Ito na ba lahat? Ate Marley. Ito na lahat. Yung binti mo.
Birthday.
One.
Okay, happy birthday Ate Irene.
Wala nag-agos na.
The oldest member of IMG, Ate Irene.
Si Mami yun.
Mami, the oldest member of IMG. Ito pala, meron pala sa Tracy. Ito na, nawalan.
My mommy.
Hi. Yan, salamat.
Kami nila. Thank you Lord for the blessing.
Tatlo kantina.
Yay! Mapusog na naman kami mamaya. Yung lighter. Bring lunch.
Sinong may lighter?
Lighter.